I'm Rona Lewis, fitness and lifestyle coach and healthy chef. Today, we're going to be making salmon with parsnip puree. Now, a lot of people don't even know what a parsnip is. This is a parsnip. If you've never had it, it's sweet, almost like a carrot. Now, in order to make parsnip puree, it's quite simple and done almost like mashed potatoes. You peel them just like you would a carrot or a potato, and you cut them into chunks. Then what you're going to do is put them in boiling water just like you would for mashed potatoes. They'll take a little bit less time to cook, maybe 10 to 12 minutes, depending on how many you have. When that's done, you drain it, put it back in the same pot, and add maybe a half cup's worth of chicken broth, a couple of tablespoons of butter, some salt and pepper, and I like to add a little bit of herbs. Here's some dill. You use an immersion blender. If you haven't seen what an immersion blender looks like, you plug it in, put it in, and then it purees the whole thing. You can mash it. I like it a little bit more smooth than that. And this is what it looks like. Now, what I did here was use a piece of broiled fish. Nice and simple with just some salt and pepper, a little bit of olive oil. It makes a great side dish and they really complement each other. I'm Rona Lewis, fitness and lifestyle coach and healthy chef. Thanks for learning all about parsnip puree.